Did you know that you could double, maybe even triple your conversions from Google Business Profile simply by adding images? Mind-blowing, right? Even just adding one image a week can double your phone calls, double your visits to the website, and probably double, even triple your conversions, all organically, meaning you're not paying anything for this traffic and these leads. Sounds great. So let's dive into these photos, exactly how to do it, best way to do it, and what Google even says about it. Because did you know that Google themselves even said that images on your Google Business Profile is definitely a ranking factor of theirs? Watch this. This is support.google.com talking about how to improve your local ranking on Google. You scroll down, you'll see that they have a few main things. Enter complete data, verify your location, keep your hours accurate, manage your responder reviews, and add photos. So there you have it. You don't even have to take my word for it. Google is telling you to add photos because it is a ranking factor in their algorithm for local search. I mean, if you think about it, Google's whole algorithm favors any website or Google Business Profile that enhances user experience. That's the whole thing about Google. If they can enhance the user experience every time someone goes to Google, you're going to continue to come back to Google. That's why Google's grown to be such a powerful search engine. So feed it what it needs and it will feed you what you need, what we all love. Lots more leads and more money. So let's get into the photos aspect of it. What kind of photos can you, or even should you, add to your Google Business Profile? There's multiple different types of business-specific photos, and if you Google it, you can come across this page. But there's exterior, interior, product, photos at work, food and drink, common areas, rooms, team photos. It actually goes beyond this. Depending on the industry you're in, Google will also add additional categories of images and photos. Watch this. This is a music store in Maryland, and what you can see is they have the exterior photos, they have interior photos, but Google's actually broken it down. There's acoustic guitar, electric guitar, images that have been added by owner, and even videos. But on the inside, you can see, there's lots of different images here. So we made it pretty clear. You definitely need to add images to your Google Business Profile. How often? At least once a week is what I'd recommend, based on everything I've seen with the thousands of Google Business Profiles that I've managed and continue to manage. There's a lot of different ranking factors, but the people that consistently add photos, update their profiles, those are the ones that always get the best performance. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can add photos to your Google Business Profile. The first option is actually going to google.com, and you can type in my business or you can type in your business name and it'll show up. If you're logged in, you'll be able to manage it. And you can click add photo, and you can choose the type of photo that you want to upload or add. You can also do this from your phone. Now, the only problem with doing it the way I just showed you is that those photos are only going to Google. That's it. They're not going anywhere else. So what's the second option? I'm going to show you the best option. Using direction.com, you can go into your profile, and when you upload images, you can choose to add it here. You can choose the different types of photos, and then what will happen is they will be distributed to all the directories online that matter. So you're not just adding it to Google, you're adding it to Facebook, Yelp, Bing, and you can even choose to upload these images to Instagram if you'd like. Basically, save yourself time, because time is money. And instead of just going to Google and uploading images, and then going to Facebook and uploading images, and then anywhere else you go to upload images, just do it from one place, direction.com. That's just the easiest way to do it. If you want leverage in your business, that's leverage. That's how you grow, is utilizing the right softwares to grow your business, to market your business. Let's get back into the types of images. So I've got some really cool stuff to show you. I did a search for the best restaurants near me, and I wanted to see, how is this restaurant? Yeah, they're close by, but so is this one and so is this one. These are all pretty close, 0.1 mile, a few feet away, and also not even half a mile away. These are all very, very close. How does this one with less reviews than the next, and also a lower star average, rank at the top? Well, I clicked on it and it shows 750 plus photos. And then when I went to the second result, they had 260 plus. Now, obviously, as a restaurant, it's important to have more images. Lots of businesses matter with images, right? Like if you're going to eat somewhere, you kind of want to see pictures of the food. So the other thing is it's really important to encourage customers to upload images of your business, no matter what kind of business you have. Even us as a service company, I'll encourage customers if they come by the office, hey, can we get our picture with you and put it up on Google? And you'll find that most people don't mind. They really want to help you and support your business and help your local business grow. Another thing that you're going to want to do when you upload images to your Google Business profile is make sure that they're properly named. So whenever you take a picture, upload it to computer or whatnot, make sure you name the file name something that has the keywords related to what the image is. It just helps in general. But if you can also add images to the backend of your website and maybe even to different pages of your website, that's also going to help. So it's not important only to just upload images to your Google Business profile, but also be adding images that are rich with keywords in the title tag and alt description onto your website and the different pages of your website. Because guess what? Google crawls your website. Your website is tied to your Google Business profile. There's a link to your website on your Google Business profile. When you're adding images, not only on Google Business profile, and ideally with direction.com, you're adding it all over the internet, make it super simple for yourself, but you're also adding it to your website because more images, the better. As you clearly saw, and you can do whatever searches you'd like, you will most likely find that more often than not, the businesses that rank at the top have more images than the ones below them. There's obviously a ton of other ranking factors, which I go over in other videos. Photos are easily one of the top 10 ranking factors. So might as well address it because it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to upload images at all. If you're struggling with ideas on what photos to take or what kind of photos to take or how to take them, don't worry, because now you've got ChatGPT on your side. Watch this. Let's say you're a real estate agent. What kind of images should you add? Just ask ChatGPT and it'll tell you. Professional headshot, property showcases. One that I really liked here was the before and after staging photos. You can use Canva to set up a before and after staging photo of the listings that you're listing. And that's going to be awesome. Any awards and recognition, educational form of content, printing, team photos if applicable, and elements. There's all different types of photos that you can be adding. It doesn't matter if you're a service-based company or if you're a single real estate agent with a Google Business profile. The more images you add, the better it's going to perform, the more your business is going to grow. Let me know after adding some images in the comments below, maybe after a week or two. It's pretty quickly, but let me know. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always available here at direction.com. SEO is what we love. SEO is all we do. Make sure to hit like on this video if it was helpful and subscribe because we continue to put out more awesome information on how to grow your business, not just on Google Business Profile, but also on your website. It's all free information. Take it, absorb it, implement it, and grow.